Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Utrefon. In today's video I want to make a vegetable sauce. As you can see, I have sliced my tomato. This is my tomato. I sliced it into small pieces. This is my garlic. I've chopped it into small pieces, and this is my pepper. This is my seasoning. I'm using Knorr cube. This is my bell pepper, and this is my onion. So here is my green vegetable. I don't know what you call this in English, but in my place we call it green. If you find a green, like a vegetable called green, I think this is the one. So I think they call it maybe herbs and leaves, something like that. So I'm not really sure about the name, so you need to check. Or if you can't find this particular leaf, you can use baby spinach, or you can use ugu, so you can use that. Here I have my garlic and herbs, which I'm going to use. I have my table salt, which I'm going to use. I have my thyme here, and of course I have my vegetable oil. I don't know if you can see this. This is sunflower oil. So this is what I'm going to use, but it's written in Arabic language. So let's get started. So I'll add my vegetable oil. So right now I'm going to add my onion. Cover it for 2 minutes, then we will come back to it. After 2 minutes, now I'm gonna add my vegetable. So I'm going to mix it together. for about 1 minute, then we take it down. So guys, this is how my vegetable sauce came out, and you can eat this with plantain or yam or boiled potato. So I'm just gonna test it to see. This is nice. You can try this at home. You don't need to buy it from fast food again. Just do this, then you're good to go. Thank you for watching. If you know you've not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to share this video. You don't know, you may help someone. That's the only favor I need from you, just to subscribe and share, and turn on your notification bell, because I'm gonna be making video every week on this channel. So don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you'll not miss out of the rest of the video I'm going to be sharing on this channel. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video. I hope this is helpful. You can drop a comment below. I'm happy to respond to all of your comments. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Bye.